Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to my online class. Hi, I'm your Fassar, lecturer in English. This class is conducted by student Rajiv Fadlog Women's College. Good morning, my dear students. I think all my students are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah, and I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah, no doubt. This class is only those who are the students of intermediate first year, and those who are belongs to Rajput Women's College and not belongs to others, no doubt that. Dear students, you know that the world is passing through a very hard time because of this pandemic situation, which is called coronavirus or COVID-19. Coronavirus has become a pandemic. It is not only a health issue but also an unprecedented socio-economic crisis in the world. The tsunami of coronavirus is frequently mutating. And that's why this unique trait has made it difficult to find out an effective medicine or vaccine, and this is why WHO or WHO has given on the prevention of coronavirus rather than its cure. Our government has already proclaimed maintaining social distancing, ensuring personal hygiene and boosting of immunity. We have to avoid crowded place. To use face mask when we are in the public place, and maintain social distancing from others. No doubt that. Besides, we have to wash our hands with soap or sanitizer with 20 seconds at each stage, again and again, and maintain respiratory etiquette, no doubt that. Finally, we have to boost up our immune system by taking sufficient vitamin C and keeping ourselves in the sun for sometimes shining. That means basking in the sun. Our government has given some instructions to protect a community from a community. Government has already proclaimed that no mask, no service in any kind of government, non-government, or any kind of private sector. And if you want to get service at the time, you wear mask and get service. Our government has already shown zero tolerance about this pandemic situation. We are very much. It's a good news to us because we are very much grateful to our Prime Minister because the government has already started to given a vaccine. Governments, some high officials such as the minister, secretary are taking a vaccine. But many countries in the world did not give it start to the vaccine. And in this respect, ours have not. No doubt that this taking vaccine, boosting up ours, to the common people to take the vaccine. No doubt that. Now, dear students, let's start our class. My today's topic name is completing sentence. Completing sentence is very important in English grammar, no doubt that. If anyone wants to speak English or read in English correctly at the time, he or she must know give importance to complete sentence because complete sentence means to complete a sentence with grammatically correct and there is no mistake in the sentence. If anyone advanced in English or common over the language at that time, he or she need to learn about completing sentence, no doubt that. So let's start our class, student. Look at my whiteboard. There are 3 sentences I'm writing on my whiteboard, no doubt that. First sentence is that I'm an early riser. I'm used to. If you want to complete a sentence at the time, there is clue before after in the blank space. Here the clue is used to. Used to means a person something can do every day at the right time, no doubt that, and that is used in used to. Here I'm used to. The next sentence is that she loves reading. Full stop. She will be reading while dot dot. There is a clue while. And the first one is, do you know this man? Yes, I know him. That's since he was a boy. Now I am complete this sentence with the grammatically correct. No doubt that. Here the clue is used to. I am used to. This I have already said that used to is used to only the perfect work each and every day. No doubt by a particular person. I am used to before the sentence I am an early riser. So then we must fill the sentence with the grammatically correct. I am used to getting up early and having a walk in the river side. Now I make the sentence. I am an early riser. I am used to getting up early and having a walk in the river side. Next one is that, dear students, please say she loves reading. She loves reading. She'll be reading while because this sentence is future continuous tense and we must use after a while, and if there is subject after a while there is subject, then we must use present continuous tense or past continuous tense. But before this sentence there is a future continuous tense, and that's why we must use this sentence with the present continuous tense. She loves reading. She will be reading while we are. He will be reading while we are. We are. She should be reading while we are playing in the field. And the third one is that, do you know this man? Yes, I know him. Yes, I know him. He has been known to me since he was a boy. Now, students, I am giving another examples of complete sentence. Another three sentences writing on the whiteboard. He is a liar. Do not relay ... And the second one is, why do he speaks in English ... Full stop. But we learn through mistakes. And the sixth sentence is that there is nobody ... full stop and seven is relative terms. Now I'm trying to complete the sentence. He is a liar. Do not relay on his words. On his words. Whenever he speaks in English, he makes many mistakes. He makes many mistakes. Stop. And the sixth sentence is that there is nobody, hence happiness is a relative term. There is nobody in the world that means who is happy with what he has. Dear students, I think all the students got understood about the complete sentence and its importance, and every students give emphasis the importance of making a complete sentence. No doubt that. Dear students, today I shall want to wrap up my lecture today here. Next time I will come here with for my dear students, those who belongs to Frangali School or non belongs to another new video or lecture, particularly grammar of the first paper. No doubt that. stay at home and protect coronavirus from our community, and taking vaccine to protect yourself from that. Dear students, before finish my lecture, I'm going to share an important thing with my dear students, those who belongs to Ocean Rajifullah Women's College. Dear students, I have a YouTube channel. My channel name is English Tutor. If you want to browse my channel at that time, you must write down / my phone number 0782262621. I repeat it, / my phone number 0782262621, and then you will get my YouTube channel. If you browse my channel, I think no doubt that you will get benefit. And in and my YouTube channel, there are many more videos for my dear students, particularly first part and second part, that means grammar and first purpose topical elements. If you browse, you will get that benefit, and you will get benefit and advance in your study, no doubt that. Dear students, you should always avoid from such kind of bad habits. That means smoking. Smoking is detrimental to your health, and that's why you should avoid from such type of bad habit. And in this respect, our government is strictly implementing the rules and has shown a zero tolerance, no doubt that. Dear students, till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.